In this video, we're going to learn how to add cool text to a topic in Google Classroom. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, iTech On Demand. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add cool text effects to our Google Classroom topics. Alright, so to do this, we're going to use a website called CoolSymbolcom. Now, what I don't like about the website is that it has a lot of ads that will pop up that you may need to exit out of. But I do like that it allows you to create different cool text effects. So let's take a look at the text effects that I already have here in this Google Classroom. As you can see, you have a standards topic, you have a bell ringers topic. So let me just demonstrate how we did that. So down here, first of all, let me just make sure you guys know that this is the text decorator. There are several different features, or I should say several different things that this particular website does. So just make sure that you're on the right page. So you can input text in this box, and then you can change your font style here. So if I input text, I'm just going to input weekly agenda. I'm going to click the drop down menu, and I'm going to find the style that I want. I'll just take this style right here. Now notice at the top, you're going to see an example of what this is going to look like. If you want to take it a step further, you can do text decorations. So right now it's on none, but if I choose this one, for example, notice how you will see that there. Next, I can just copy the text. Notice how I'm going to get an ad that pops up. I can close out of that. I'm going to go back to Google Classroom. I'm going to select create. I'm going to make a new topic, and I'm just going to paste my cool text and add it as a topic. So here it is right here. And this is just a cool way to make your Google Classroom stand out. Now you guys may already know about emoji Chrome extensions that you can, where you can also add other emojis to make your Google Classroom stand out. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to make a topic. We're going to call this one bell ringers, but I'm going to paste a bell in front of it, and I'm going to add that one. So you guys may already know about something like this, but this website Cool Symbol just takes it a step further. So again, this is just a cool way to jazz up your Google Classroom using cool text effects, and it's a way to direct students' attention to specific topics and assignments that you want them to complete. If you like this content, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time iTech On Demand posts a new video.